Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Today I have another haul for you. I showed you on my Instagram stories that I received a huge Luisaviaroma delivery yesterday and so many of you wanted to see what's inside the box, and I wanted to show you as well because I picked up some amazing items, luxury items, 40% off. They're having these amazing deals at the moment and they're starting their June sale as well, their summer sale, so keep an eye out because they always have these great deals. And I wanted to show you what I picked up. I think I picked up some awesome pieces. Do you guys remember that I've been wanting a white summer bag? Yes, I found one, so can't wait to see it and try it out and see what I think. And as you can see, we have some Manolo, so let's get started. Summer sales are here, so I'm sure many of you will be doing some shoppy online. And today's video, guys, is kindly sponsored by Saga. You know that I've been working with Saga for years now, and Saga is an application, an app. I have it on my phone, I use it on my computer, and it really helps me keep up with the sales, especially at this time of the year. Saga is my lifesaver because it keeps me plan and organize my shopping. So I wanted to quickly show you how it works. You guys know that I always try to be careful and smart with my purchases, so whenever I find something online, I save it on Saga. First, you need to download the Saga browser button. It works both on Safari and Google Chrome. Then you go to your favorite online stores. I will also leave a link to Luisaviaroma's website and some of my favorite picks from the sales, so do check the description box. But you can also find a list of all online retailers on Saga. Then when you choose the items you want to buy, save them to your Saga by clicking the Saga button. You can save items to different categories and wish lists, so they're easy to find. I have split mine into shoes, accessories, clothes and bags, and that way it's very easy to find everything and very organized. So here's my favorite part. Once you've saved your items, you can relax. You don't have to constantly stalk websites and check if your item is on sale. You'll get push notifications on your phone or email when the item you want is on sale or back in stock. Saga also notifies you when an item is low in stock. They also have this amazing feature that shows you coupon codes at checkout. Saga will search the entire internet for the best codes to apply and save you the most amount of money when you're purchasing the item. They're also launching a new cashback feature, so keep an eye out for that as well. If you don't have Saga, you're missing out, guys, so definitely check the description box where I'll leave a link. You can download it for free. It's free to use, and trust me, you'll love it, and it saves you so much money as well and time, and keeps everything organized. So I really enjoy using Saga. I use it mainly on my phone, but it works on your computer as well. Okay, let's start with this unboxing, shall we? Okay, I think I'm gonna start with the handbag. Did I mention I bought a handbag? I think I did. So here it is. You guys may know, if you've been following me, that I was searching for the perfect white bag for summer, and I found this one from Saint Laurent. It is a Saint Laurent bag, and I was like, oh, this looks interesting, let me try it out and see if I like it. I can't remember if I've ever tried this style. I know this is one of their most popular classic styles, and they have it in so many colors, but I saw this white one on Luisaviaroma. This was one of the items that was not on sale, so I paid full price, but it was quite affordable. So let me show you. Can you guys guess which one it is? Oh my god, it's so cute! Okay, I haven't actually seen it, so this is the first time that I see the bag. Here it is. What do we think? I know I just bought a bag. I just bought a Chanel beige bag, but I really wanted a white summer bag. Ideally, I wanted a Chanel white bag, but I can't find one that I like, and I think this is probably the next best thing, so I wanted to try it out, see how it looks. I will insert some clips so you can see how this looks on me. Let me know what you guys think. Let's open it up. It has gold hardware as well. I really love the yellow gold chain and the logo. There are so many tags inside, so let's have a look. I think you can, yes, you can remove the strap. I don't know if you can see. I'll show you a close-up so you can see. but it's not very big. It is a small bag. It looks like a wallet. There are so many slots for your cards. I don't even have that many cards, to be honest. I think it is a very sleek, elegant design. YSL bags in general, I feel are very elegant, so I love that one. It is so cute for summer, and it is off-white. It's not like white, it is an off-white color, which I actually think I prefer. And yeah, it's in grained leather. The price was good. It was only £1,050, which I think is great. I know many people avoid getting lighter colored bags, but honestly they're not that bad. I have a Chanel very light grey cocoa handle, and it goes with so many outfits. I also feel that when the bag is in a lighter color, it looks much more expensive. White bags are so versatile. That's why I wanted one, because you can not only wear it during the summer, but also in winter. I love wearing winter white. I can't wait to wear a white bag in the winter. I think it looks beautiful. I feel that this might be the next best thing after Chanel, actually. So if you're looking for a cute summer bag, definitely check this one out. It's a cute envelope bag that you can wear during the day, but also you can dress up and wear as an evening bag. Look how elegant and beautiful it will look as an evening bag. You can wear it as a clutch. So I'm very happy with it. Can't wait to wear it. Okay, let's move on. Alright, so I need your help, guys. I bought 2 pairs of Manolos. As you can see, there are 2 boxes, and I want to keep only 1 pair. This is my first pair of Manolo Blahniks, and I'm not sure if I should keep the more classic style or the other style. Let me show you. So I'll unbox them and show you them, but they're both very different designs, and I love both, so I know it will be difficult. So yeah, they come with these beautiful grey dust bags. 1 pair was very cheap, the other one was regular price, so quite pricey and expensive. And I think it's these, yeah, it's these ones. I got the Carrie Bradshaw Manolos, so here they are. I wanted my first pair of Manolo Blahniks to be the classic blue from the Sex and the City, the ones that Carrie Bradshaw wore, and these are them. So these are very pricey. You may know that these retail for almost £800, so I think they were £790, and they were not discounted. But they're such a classic pair, and I love them. They're in the 70mm heel, so this is the medium height. I think they have lower and higher. I think the higher heel is 100 or 105mm. You know that I can't wear high heels, so I think the 70mm heel is perfect for me. And I bought them in size 38, which is, I'm normally 37.5, but in closed shoes that I would wear mainly in summer, I tend to go half a size up. You know that our feet swell up in the summer, so I went half size up. So these are the first pair of shoes that I picked up. These are the classic Manolo Blahniks, and they're in this beautiful blue color. Honestly, the color is so beautiful and vibrant, and I think it will go with so many outfits. It will be so easy to style. It will look great with jeans. They're super sparkly. They have this beautiful crystallized buckle on the top, which is so beautiful and so sparkly, especially in the sun. Luisaviaroma currently has a great selection of Manolo Blahnik shoes on their website. Not only the classic Hangiesis, but all their other popular styles. They are also beautiful. I literally wanted to add all the styles to my basket. By the way, I think I forgot to mention, I'll leave all the discount codes that I'm aware of down in the description box, so you can save some money on your order. The codes don't always work on starred items, and I'm saying don't always work because sometimes they do. So if you like something, even if it has a star, add it to your basket because the code might work. I have an example and I'll show you later. The code unfortunately didn't work on these Manolos, but it worked on the other pair. So even if you see that the item has a star, add it to your basket and try and see if the code will work. So that's my advice. Let me show you the other pair of shoes. Okay, so this is the other pair of shoes that I picked up. This is another very classic style. I think this is a newer design, but these are so popular right now. I feel that I see this style everywhere. So, and when I saw the color, guys, when you see the color, you will die. These look like a little cupcake. Oh my god, they're so cute. So I know both styles are very different. These are the shoes. But please, guys, help me. Do I keep both, or which pair do I keep? Let me know. So these are them. Oh my god, what do we think? How cute! I really love the color. So these I got 40% off, and I think they only had one size left, and it was my size. Actually, it wasn't my size, I'm lying. These are 38.5, and I tried them on. I couldn't wait, so I did open these when I received the order and tried them on immediately because I wanted to see if they will fit. And surprise, surprise, they fit perfectly. So these are half a size up and they fit perfectly. I was surprised, to be honest, because I really thought these would be too big for me, but I loved the color. They were so discounted and I wanted to grab them. I didn't want to miss out. I wanted to check if they will fit, and they fit fine. I was very surprised. I do prefer when I have a little space at the back. I don't like my foot to be exactly where the shoe ends. That's not a good look to me, so I always prefer to have a little bit of space at the back, and these are perfect. So these are the shoes. I think the heel height is the same. Doesn't say on the box. Let me double check. No, it doesn't say on the box, but I feel that they are the same heel height. And these are such a Barbie shoe. Like, how amazing. You guys know that I've been into pinks lately a lot, so how cute. Oh my god, these will be so perfect for summer. So these are both pairs again. What do we think? Which ones do you prefer? Comment down below. Should I keep both? I kind of wanted to keep only one pair, but now they're so different and I love both. What should I do? Should I keep both, or... yeah, let me know. Help me, guys. Okay guys, there are two more items that I can't wait to show you, and they were both 40% off. So this next item might be familiar. You might remember these beautiful mother denim jeans from my Come Online Shopping With Me video. Who remembers that video? Do you guys remember these jeans that I showed you? They are so beautiful. It's very hard to show you them like this, so I'll just put them down for now. I've been eyeing these since then and I saved them to my shop tagger. So when they went on sale, I bought them and they are so beautiful. They are definitely a summer pair of jeans. The denim is very lightweight. They fit perfectly. They do run a bit small, so bear that in mind. Go a size up. I'm normally size 27 in jeans. With these I went a size up and I got 28, and they fit perfect. Oh my god, they're so nice. They look so cool and they look different because they're like, they have this ombre effect, which I love. They're frayed on the bottom, and you guys know that mother denim is very, very pricey. I think these were originally 350, 60 pounds, I can't remember exactly. So I saved quite a bit. I got them 40% off, and they are probably my new favorite summer pair of jeans. They have two big M's on the pockets on the bum, can you guys see? And my name's Maria, so I will be wearing my letter M on my cheeks. That's quite funny. Anyway, okay, I have one last item to show you, and this one again might look familiar. I did show you this Zimmermann dress in a previous haul video. However, the one that I unboxed in my previous haul video turned out to be faulty, and I ended up returning it, and I wanted to reorder a new one. I started searching on different websites and I saw that Luisaviaroma had this one, but it was full price, and I added it to my basket, although it was a starred item, and guess what? The code worked and I saved 40% off, so even more than before. I don't know if you guys watched my previous video. I did buy the same dress before for 30% off, but I ended up returning it. I told you why. So now I repurchased the same dress, 40% off, so I saved up even more and I'm so happy. So I wanted to show you this quickly. I know I've showed you this dress in a previous video. I will insert some clips in case you've missed that video. I'll show you how it looks on because it is beautiful. But yeah, I wanted to let you guys know that Luisaviaroma also has a huge selection of Zimmermann dresses, and on some of them you can get a huge discount. So if you like this dress, hurry up. Alright everyone, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's whole video. Let me know what you guys think of the items that I picked up. Let me know which is your favorite item. Don't forget to come follow me on my Instagram, where you can get some more outfit inspo, see my new items, how I like to style them. I show you my daily outfits on my stories. So come say hello. I would love to see you on my Instagram as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.